This video is brought to you by Cloud Technologies. We are a software company that offers its services in web designing and development, mobile apps, IoT, digital marketing, cloud computing, Salesforce, mean stack with AngularJS and Node.js, and soft skills. In terms of development, we do cloud-based applications and mobile applications. In ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning, we are in healthcare, education, e-commerce, and fitness domains. We have our own app in the education domain, that is Skilljo, an exclusive social networking platform for students, professionals, startups, and companies that helps in skill development and networking, which tends to overall growth of job, career, and business opportunities. So if you are a company or just an individual looking for any of the above, then head over to Cloud Technologies website and make it happen in the easiest and most cost effective way possible.
Hello friends, I am from Cloud Technologies. Today, I like to teach about Internet of Things. So, let's begin our episode. So, in this video, I like to presentation about what is an IoT, how IoT works, current status and future prospects of IoT, knowledge wisdom, the future of IoT, the potential of IoT, few applications of IoT, technological challenges of IoT, criticism and references. So now we can see what is an IoT. The Internet of Things is the network of physical objects like devices, vehicles, buildings and other items embedded with electronic software, sensors and network connectivity that enables objects to collect and exchanging data. That means the exchanging and collecting the data between two devices is called an IoT. So now we can see how IoT starts and where it starts. The history of IoT. The concept of Internet of Things the first became popular in 1999 through the Auto ID Center at MIT and related market analysis publications. That means in 1999 the Auto ID Center MIT gives the biggest year for the IoT. That means the IoT came to the people in 1999. So from 1999 the IoT is became popular and popular. So now we can see how IoT works. How IoT works. An IoT system consists of sensors and devices which talk to the cloud through some kind of connectivity. Once the data gets to the cloud, the software processes it and then might to decide to perform an action such as sending an alert or automatically adjusting the sensors and devices without the need of users. That means the sensors and devices which are connected to the internet, they can automatically adjust by itself without need of any users. That means, for example, if you take the smart vacuum cleaner cleans the floor by itself while cleaning any object, that means wall it came near to, then the cleaner automatically turns back. That means the IoT connected devices, they are able to control by itself without need of any users. Now we can see the current status and future prospects of IoT. In this table, you have last 15 years data. In 2003, the world population is 6.3 billion and connected devices are 500 million. For 2020, the analyzer says that the world population became 7.6 billion and connected devices became 50 billion. That means from 2003 to 2020, the world population became 1.2 higher, but connected devices became 50 times higher. That means the future prospects of IoT, the future of IoT is became higher by day. So in next class we can discuss about the future of IoT and the potential of IoT. Thanks for now.